In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your WooCommerce cart page. Whether you're looking to revamp your online store's functionality or simply aiming to improve its visual appeal, customizing your cart page can make a big difference. Let's dive right into it. First, to make any changes to your WooCommerce cart page, we'll need to install two essential plugins, Store Customizer and Booster. Both of these tools offer a free version that is quite sufficient for our needs today, so no need to worry about any extra purchases. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and under the Plugins section, click on Add New. In the search bar, type Store Customizer, and once it pops up, click Install Now, and then activate the plugin. Repeat the same process for the Booster for WooCommerce plugin, ensuring that you enable only the basic free modules. Each of these plugins will be pivotal in transforming our cart page. Once the plugins are installed and activated, we can start customizing. Focus first on the visual components. Navigate to the Appearance section on your dashboard, and then to Customize. Here, you'll find a subsection dedicated to WooCommerce. Under WooCommerce, select Cart and then Buttons within Store Customizer. This is where you get the opportunity to change the look and feel of your cart page. Adjust the button colors to align them with your brand's palette, ensuring consistency across your store. Take advantage of the font customization options as well. We want everything to be readable and appealing, so customers won't have any trouble advancing to checkout. Moving on, let's delve into Booster's capabilities to fine-tune your cart experience. In your dashboard, look for Booster, and then navigate to Cart and Checkout. Within this subsection, choose Cart Customization. Here, you have the option to streamline the checkout process by hiding unnecessary fields, such as the coupon field, if you don't intend to use it. Simplifying the cart page like this can make the process more straightforward for your customers, reducing potential cart abandonment. While making these changes, it's important to keep your overall store design and functionality in mind. The updates should aid in an effortless shopping experience. Remember, small touches like a well-placed, vibrant button or a streamlined checkout process can greatly enhance user satisfaction. And there you have it. A customized WooCommerce cart page tailored just the way you like it. With a bit of time and these powerful tools, you can ensure your customers have a seamless and engaging experience with your store. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips on how to enhance your online business. Happy customizing!